Okay, folks, I just took it out of the oven and it was in there for about 35 minutes, and they have to let they say you have to let it rest. You gotta let the chicken rest for about 5 minutes. And here I got the onions, in case you guys are wondering what this is. And I got the chicken rice. This is the rice-a-roni rice. This I didn't really actually make myself. Well, I did, but... And then you just slice it. I mean, you could slice it before you put it on the plate, right? But I want you to show it to you whole, to show you more or less how much it was. This is one chicken thigh. Even though it was in 2 pieces, this is one chicken thigh. Okay? I don't do that. Now, if you want, you just slice it like a little pieces, right? I mean, it depends on if you have guests over, how you think they'd want it. You know, you can slice it in little pieces like so. Like that. And it's done. I just want to show you that that is done. As you can see. I don't know if you can see the inside of that, but that's done. That's pretty done. And I'm going to taste it right now. That is really good. Every time I eat this, I say to myself, you know, while I'm making it, I say to myself, wow, that was a lot of work, a lot of preparation. And then when I eat it, I'm like, wow, it was worth the effort. You know? So I'll be linking you to the recipe for those of you who want to make it for yourselves again. But this is a really good dish. You can make this spicy as you like, by the way. You read the recipe, you'll understand. You can make like more red pepper flakes. You can put more pepper in, more black pepper if you want. But this is spicy enough for me. I only used a pinch. So I'm gonna finish this. I'll have some water with this. And I will see you guys later. I'll see some of you later anyway. Give me a thumbs up if you think that came out pretty good. Be well, everyone. Bye.